If you think all semi-integrated motorhomes feel the same, the 2026 Ahorn TQ 740 fixes several real problems that will change your mind. When it comes to the 2026 Ahorn TQ 740, the first thing that truly matters isn't what you immediately see, but where it's built. For this model year, Ahorn moved production into Erwinheimer Group facilities, specifically the Laika plant in Italy. That move has a very real impact on build quality. Panel alignment is more precise, furniture fit feels more consistent, and the overall finish is noticeably more solid. This isn't a cosmetic update. You feel it in the way cabinets close, how doors line up, and how stable everything feels while driving. The base vehicle is the new Renault Master, and for this size and weight class, it's a sensible choice. The standard configuration uses a 130 horsepower diesel engine paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. It delivers a smooth and predictable drive, clearly set up for long-distance travel rather than aggressive performance. For those who want an easier and more relaxed driving experience, especially in traffic or mountainous areas, there's an optional 170 horsepower engine with a 9-speed automatic gearbox. That option makes long journeys noticeably less tiring. The TQ 740 measures 748 centimeters in length, 232 centimeters in width, and 285 centimeters in height. As you move inside, the living area is built around a face-to-face dinette layout that immediately feels open and practical. The space can comfortably seat up to 7 people, something that's uncommon in this segment. The table is a solid hardwood unit that folds and adjusts easily, making it suitable for dining, working, or simply relaxing. Large windows bring in plenty of natural light, and the interior color scheme avoids dark, heavy tones that can make many motorhomes feel smaller than they actually are. The kitchen is clearly designed for real-world use. It comes equipped with a 3-burner cooktop with proper spacing, a 141-liter refrigerator that works well for longer trips, and an integrated oven, which many competitors still treat as an optional extra. Counter space is practical, storage drawers are deep, and everything is laid out logically so cooking doesn't feel cramped or awkward. The bathroom follows a split design, separating the shower from the toilet and sink. When needed, a door system allows both areas to be combined into one larger bathroom space. This setup solves the usual space limitations without permanently sacrificing comfort. Ventilation works well, and the materials used feel durable and easy to maintain over time. At the rear of the motorhome, the bedroom stands out as one of the strongest points of the TQ 740. Instead of pushing the bed into a corner, Ahorn installs a centrally positioned queen-size bed measuring approximately 148 by 198 centimeters. Access from both sides is easy, which removes one of the most common daily frustrations in motorhomes. Around the bed, there are full-height wardrobes and overhead storage, making it practical for longer trips without creating clutter. Beneath the bed, the rear garage offers up to 150 kilograms of load capacity. This is genuinely usable storage, not just a symbolic space. Bikes, outdoor furniture, and larger travel gear fit easily, and access is straightforward. Inside the living area, Ahorn also adds clever floor compartments and hidden storage solutions, helping to keep the interior clean and organized. As standard, the TQ 740 is set up for 2 people, which helps keep the layout open and uncluttered. At the same time, flexibility is built in. An optional electric drop-down bed above the dinette and a convertible seating area increase sleeping capacity to up to 5 people. This makes the motorhome suitable for couples, families, or occasional guests without locking you into a fixed family layout. Out on the road, the TQ 740 feels calm and predictable. The Renault Master platform provides good visibility, stable handling, and a comfortable driving position. On highways, the motorhome feels composed, and in tighter environments such as campsites or towns, it remains manageable despite its overall length. The first edition package is where the value of this model becomes especially clear. This version includes a factory-installed solar system for improved off-grid capability, an awning that extends your living space outdoors, and a smart TV for entertainment. Rather than adding these features one by one, Ahorn bundles them into a single, well-equipped package. Pricing for the 2026 model starts at €64,600 including VAT, which is competitive when you consider the improved build quality and standard equipment. The first edition shown at trade fairs was priced around €77,450, with the list price close to €80,820. Taking into account what's included and where it's built, the TQ 740 positions itself as strong value rather than a budget compromise. What the 2026 Ahorn TQ 740 does particularly well is address the everyday issues that tend to frustrate owners over time. Bed access, storage usability, seating comfort, kitchen practicality, and overall build consistency are all improved without overcomplicating the design. It doesn't rely on gimmicks or flashy technology. Instead, it focuses on getting the fundamentals right. That's why the 2026 Ahorn TQ 740 First Edition stands out. Not because it tries to be the most luxurious or the most aggressive-looking motorhome, but because it feels well-considered, well-built, and genuinely ready for long-term travel. So, that's a full look at the 2026 Ahorn TQ 740 First Edition. From the new build quality to the smart layout, practical storage, and real-world drivability, it's clear that Ahorn took a big step forward with this model. If you've ever wondered what makes a semi-integrated motorhome actually feel different, this one is a great example. Let me know in the comments, would you take the TQ 740 on a long road trip, or is there another motorhome that catches your eye? And if you enjoyed this walkthrough, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next detailed motorhome review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.